If you've been thinking about starting an online business but you feel stuck because you don't know what to sell, here's the thing. That fear is stopping way too many amazing Christian women from stepping into something that could change their lives and the lives of others. Here's the thing. You do not have to have the perfect product idea to start. You just need to know who you want to help. Once you've got that, the other ideas will come. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your big idea, even if you feel like you have nothing to offer yet. And by the way, if this is resonating with you already, my free Idea to Impact workshop goes even deeper into this process and helps you build the foundations of a business you love, even if you don't know what to sell yet. The link for that is below, so make sure you sign up and take advantage of that as well. Now, I totally get the frustration of feeling like you're made for more, but having no idea what that more is. I also knew I needed to find a way to work from home, and I wanted to do something I enjoyed, not just work to pay bills. Now, I remember meeting with a friend who created photography courses who suggested that I create my own online course. But I remember thinking at the time that there wasn't really anything I could create a course about. Not that people would pay for anyway, since I'm not an expert. It wasn't until a year later that I came back to the idea of creating an online course, and it dawned on me that I could teach course creators how to use video, since my training and background was in video production. The thing is, while building that business taught me what I needed to learn about how online business works, I wasn't really passionate about the who, the course creators, or my what, the topic of video. It was more a case of being a logical choice of the type of business to start rather than being a passion. And the thing is, if you don't choose your ideal client wisely, you could end up not enjoying the business you start. So instead of asking, what can I sell? I should have been asking, who do I want to help? Because that's where it all starts. Your ideal client is the foundation of your business. And when you get clear on who they are and what they're struggling with, it is so much easier to come up with things that can help them. So for me, during a break from the video coaching, I realized who I really wanted to help were Christian women who wanted financial stability without sacrificing time with their kids. That clarity helped me realize that my love for the business building process and my experience over the last few years would help that person. So think about it. Who do you feel called to serve? That is your first step. Okay, now let's talk about what you could actually offer. And don't overthink this, just start making a list. Brainstorm everything, write everything down. Your life experiences, the good and the bad. What have you overcome? Write down any training or education that you've had, the things that you love doing and the things that you are good at, as well as the things that people ask you for help with. When I did this exercise, I realized the part of building my first business that I loved the most was actually all the business building stuff, not so much the video that I was actually teaching. And I also found that I was being asked for business advice from friends, and I loved helping them. So I look at that period of time as a video coach as more of a training ground to learn what I needed to know the hard way, so that I can pass on what I've learned so others like yourself don't need to make the same mistakes that I did, and to hopefully see success faster than me. Now here's something that takes off so much pressure. While I've given you some steps to help you figure out what you could sell, you actually don't have to even create your own product to start. There are things your ideal client needs that are already out there, whether it's books, courses, tools, furniture, it could be anything, and you can become an affiliate for them. That means you recommend things you love, which adds value to your ideal client, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid at no extra cost to your ideal client. So it's a win-win. So let's say your ideal client is a home educating mum and you found an amazing curriculum. You could be an affiliate for that curriculum. Or maybe you love a certain planner or a budgeting tool or something like that. These are all things that could serve your home educating mum audience without you having to create anything from scratch. So as a reminder, you don't need a perfect product idea to start. You just need to know who you want to help. And once you do, then you can brainstorm what you already bring to the table, and you can find ways to serve them, whether that's with your own product or by recommending things provided by others as an affiliate. And if you want help pulling all of this together, if you're serious about finally starting that business, even if you don't know what to sell yet, come join my free Idea to Impact workshop, where I go deeper into this process and we actually start building out your business foundation together. The link for that is below, and I can't wait to see you there.